Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been just over a month since I did a video on the Eternabond roof fix, and I wanted to follow up as we've had all kinds of crazy weather within that last month that put that to the test. I apologize, I did not have a video last week. I spent the last week at home visiting my family in Colorado, and while I did bring my computer and my filming equipment with me, I ultimately decided that my time was really short and I wanted to spend that with family. So I'm going to go ahead and release this video a little bit early tonight because I'll be working all weekend, so this will be sort of in place of last week and this week's video. But let's see if that Eternabond actually held up. First things first, I did take a really quick trip home, which I do every couple of months. Got to see some new kittens that were a new part of the family, Gus and Emmy, which were really, really cute. Of course, I got some saddle therapy in. I got to see all my friends. I did get to take in a play that my mom was doing, and I was there for St. Patrick's Day, so I did get to do a little celebrating as well.
Here we go, kids. The obligatory Irish car bomb.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cute.
It was cute.
Another layover, and I was back home in sunny, beautiful North Carolina. That weather has been pretty short-lived. As you can see, it is actually raining as I film this, so it's a really fortuitous day to film a follow-up on a roof repair. Very quickly, we went from completely beautiful weather to snow. The day that I filmed that video, 48 hours later, actually a little less than, we got plenty of snow. We went from this to this, this to this. And it was a good test. It was about 4 or 5 inches, I think. So it ended up being a really good test as to whether or not that Eternabond was going to hold up, especially because I didn't have ideal warm hot weather to put it down, and I didn't have that much time for it to actually set before it was tested by a lot of snow, which is pretty uncharacteristic for North Carolina, so I'm told. It snowed when I was here 2 years ago, but that's neither here nor there. So after all this snowfall, I did look, and no leaks were present. I did go ahead and get up on the roof to clear all of that out, see what was up there, and I wanted to do a visual inspection on the actual Eternabond to see if any corners had lifted, if any of it had lifted at all, if it wasn't holding. So I'm glad I got all my Eternabond on because it is snowing today. We've gotten like 3 to 4 inches, and I came to check and no leaks. I think we did it. Even after all that snow, we got some rain sometime later, and we're still getting it, but everything still looks dry. This isn't a really long video today. I just wanted you all to see that so far the Eternabond roof fix is holding up. I don't have any leaks that I found. Everything seems to be okay. The Eternabond is still exactly where I put it. It's in place. Nothing is lifting or having any problems. There's no issues with any of the adhesiveness to it. So it's really doing a good job. And again, like I said, we're back to getting a lot of heavy rainfall pretty much all afternoon here, and it's still doing a fine job. So if you find yourself in a similar situation where you need a quick, immediate fix for tree damage or a leaky roof, what can I say? The Eternabond is so far holding up, and it makes a really great option. Thank you guys for tuning in. I realize this is a really short video this week. Regular content will resume a week from Saturday. Please let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, if you've had your own personal experience with Eternabond. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your ongoing support, and I'll see you on the next one.